In today's fast-paced world, having the right kitchen tools can make a world of difference. From meal prepping for a busy week to hosting a dinner party, the kitchen is where culinary magic happens. And having a versatile appliance that can keep up with your demands is essential. Enter this Val Cucina 10-in-1 XL Air Fryer Toaster Oven. This powerhouse kitchen appliance is designed to simplify your cooking experience while delivering delicious, healthy meals. But is it worth the investment? In this detailed review, we'll break down the features, benefits, and potential drawbacks of this 10-in-1 air fryer toaster oven so you can make an informed decision. 1. Infrared Heating True Convection. Air fry, the future of cooking. One of the most impressive features of the Val Cucina 10-in-1 XL air fryer toaster oven is its cutting-edge infrared heating combined with true convection. But what does that really mean for your cooking? Infrared heating. Infrared grills cook extremely quickly by using concentrated energy waves and radiant heat at much higher temperatures than traditional ovens. This results in reduced cooking time and prevents your food from drying out. Imagine searing the outside of your meat to a perfect, flavorful brown crust while keeping the inside tender and juicy. This is what infrared technology brings to your kitchen. True convection air fry. The high-velocity heated air circulation evenly distributes hot air around your food, ensuring that every inch of it gets cooked thoroughly. Combination of convection and air frying delivers that delicious crispy texture you crave while reducing fat content by up to 75%. It's a healthier alternative to traditional frying, so you can enjoy all your favorite fried foods guilt-free. Can you imagine whipping up crispy, golden fries with 75% less fat? Or searing a steak with a perfect crust while keeping it juicy inside, all in half the time it normally takes. That's the power of infrared heating and true convection. Click the link in the description below to see the full product specification. 2. Super versatile 10-in-1 functionality. Your kitchen's new best friend. Versatility is where the Val Cucina air fryer toaster oven truly shines. Unlike typical air fryers or ovens that perform a single function, this model offers 10 preset digital functions that can handle just about anything you throw at it. Each function is carefully calibrated to provide optimal results, whether you're toasting your morning bagel or slow cooking a hearty stew. This versatility makes the Val Cucina 10-in-1 XL air fryer toaster oven a true kitchen workhorse. Why settle for a single function appliance when you can have one that does it all? From air frying to slow cooking, this 10-in-1 wonder can handle it all with ease and efficiency. 3. Family and party size capacity. Perfect for entertaining. If you're cooking for a crowd, the Val Cucina's XL capacity won't let you down. With a 30–60% larger capacity than many other air fryer toaster ovens on the market, this appliance can easily handle 5 to 6 pound chicken, 6 slices of toast, a large batch of French fries, 20 chicken wings, 12-inch pizza. Whether you're hosting a family dinner or prepping meals for the week, this oven's spacious interior can accommodate your needs. The larger capacity means less time spent cooking multiple batches and more time enjoying delicious meals with your loved one. Hosting a dinner party or prepping meals for the week? The Val Cucina 10-in-1 XL air fryer toaster oven has the space to handle it all in one go. No more juggling multiple batches, this oven has you covered. 4. Crunchy and healthy cooking experience. Guilt-free indulgence. One of the biggest selling points of this air fryer toaster oven is its ability to deliver the crunchy, golden results we all love, without the guilt. Traditional frying methods can be heavy on the oil, but with the Val Cucina air fry feature, you can reduce fat content by up to 75% without sacrificing taste or texture. The intensive infrared heating ensures that your food gets crispy on the outside while remaining tender on the inside. Whether it's chicken wings, French fries, or even roasted vegetables, you'll get the perfect blend of flavor and texture every time. Craving that satisfying crunch but trying to eat healthier? The Val Cucina 10-in-1 XL air fryer toaster oven lets you enjoy all your favorite fried foods with up to 75% less fat. Healthy eating has never tasted this good. 5. Fast, safe, and easy to use. Cooking made effortless. With 750 watts of power and 6 heating elements, this air fryer toaster oven is designed to cook faster than traditional ovens. up to 40% faster, and even heat distribution reduces preheating time by up to 30%, which means you can get dinner on the table quicker. But speed isn't the only thing this appliance has going for it. Safety features like auto shut-off, a 100% food-safe non-stick coating, and a built-in pause function if the inner pot isn't correctly placed provide peace of mind during use. The user-friendly digital display and analog controls make cooking a breeze, even for those who aren't tech-savvy. Who doesn't want to spend less time in the kitchen? With the Val Cucina 10-in-1 XL Air Fryer Toaster Oven, you can cook your meals 40% faster and still achieve perfect results without the hassle. Number 6. Easy cleanup and durable design. Built to last. Cooking is fun, cleaning up? Not so much. Luckily, the Val Cucina 10-in-1 XL Air Fryer Toaster Oven is designed with easy cleanup in mind. The non-stick enamel baking tray and crumb tray make it easy to wipe away grease and crumbs, while the brushed stainless steel finish adds a touch of modern elegance to your kitchen. Plus, this air fryer toaster oven comes with a variety of accessories, including an enamel baking tray, wire rack, air fryer basket, and crumb tray, all of which are easy to clean. The durable construction ensures that this appliance will be a staple in your kitchen for years to come. Hate cleaning up after cooking? The Val Cucina 10-in-1 XL Air Fryer Toaster Oven makes cleanup a breeze with its non-stick surfaces and easy-to-clean accessories. 7. What's included? Accessories galore. These accessories allow you to tackle a wide variety of recipes with ease, from air frying to baking and everything in between. Ready to take your cooking to the next level? With the Val Cucina 10-in-1 XL Air Fryer Toaster Oven, you get all the tools you need to create delicious meals, no matter what's on the menu. Final thoughts. Is the Val Cucina 10-in-1 XL Air Fryer Toaster Oven worth it? The Val Cucina 10-in-1 XL Air Fryer Toaster Oven isn't just an appliance. It's a game changer for your kitchen. With its versatile cooking functions, larger capacity, infrared heating, and true convection technology, this air fryer toaster oven offers the convenience, speed, and healthier cooking options that modern kitchens demand. Whether you're cooking for your family, entertaining guests, or just looking to simplify your meal prep, the Val Cucina 10-in-1 XL Air Fryer Toaster Oven is up to the task. Its impressive list of features, combined with its ease of use and thoughtful design, make it a worthy addition to any kitchen. So is it worth it? Absolutely. If you're in the market for a versatile, high-performance kitchen appliance that can do it all, the Val Cucina 10-in-1 XL Air Fryer Toaster Oven should be at the top of your list. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.